Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to the channel. This is a process video for the Shimmerz paints, and remember, if you use my name in the comments, leave it down below. You get a freebie. It's that simple. And this is going to be the layout that I am going to use. I'm going to scrap lift it. And the products that I'm going to do, I'm doing something kind of simple this time around. A little bit more simpler than normal, but I really just wanted to be able to showcase wonderful colors in the fall, even though that they're more summer-liked products. So when you use these colors from the Creameez, you have to activate them with water, and they're really summery colors, but with maxing them out and putting with all of the collections from the Hip Kit that was in September, it brings those colors more to the fall-like side of the spectrum than being in the summer. So the blue that I just put down is Boggie Boardin blue. One of the reddish colors, let me see if I can find it. Which one is it? Here it is, Strawberry Fields. The orange is my Clementine, and then the Good Old Summertime. Wait, I put the Good Old Summertime down first, and then it's the the Strawberry Fields. And all three of these you have to activate with water. So what I do is that right before I start to film, I fill it full of water so that it's easily and accessible to get this ready. Now, I did decide to come in with another color, but you'll see that in just a little bit. And ultimately, I just wanted to do, this is kind of what it is. I do come in with splatters, obviously. You'll see me come in with that, along with another splatter from right here it is. And it's concrete, and it's the Shimmerz, is what it's called. And on camera here, it looks a little weird, but you'll see where I take the paper towel after I get all my splatters in, and dumb it down, like color it down, and it works out wonderful. Now make sure that you go check out the Shimmerz website. Everything will be linked down below, obviously. Again, just like I said, make sure that you use my name and you will get a small freebie in the comment section in your order. Now, I am splattering it, like I said. I'm just taking it in different spots, wiping it off when I need to, and then going in and just making sure that I do the splatters over the colors. And then that's my background. I really love how this turned out. It's something so simple, but yet so dramatic on my page once it's done. I'm almost done with my castle trips that I have taken. So I think I've got one more castle to do, but it's more summer-ish, spring-ish, because it was during Mother's Day. So I know that I'll probably be waiting to do those just a little bit later. And now in the layout that I am going over, it has tons of lines going through it, and I'm going to do that here, and then on my, not like on my photo, but my photo mats and my borders, I am going to do what I'm doing right here, and I'm just going to town on making sure that these are very, very distinct lines. And I just, like I said, I love how this turns out. And I am so sorry that my phone is being funny. I think I forgot to turn off, put it on airplane mode, because when I don't do it on airplane mode, when my phone buzzes, it moves. So I think that's what happened. But I am placing this down, and I'm just getting this ready. So when this goes live on the 15th, we are halfway through November, on our way to December, and I got told on Thursday the 12th at 10:45 in the morning that I am going to be working from home for the next 2 weeks. So, I am going through all of the stuff for my kiddos, and we are going to work from there. So it's kind of going to be like I was back in June, or not in June, but in April and May and March when it came down. I am definitely got all of our stuff set up and ready to go. My friend, my counterpart, Jean-Pierre, and I, we're going to tag team it like we did in the spring, and we're going to knock it out for the week, because we actually, the 2 weeks that we're going out, the 1 week is school and then the other week is our Thanksgiving break. So ultimately the kids are only going to be learning from Zoom for a week, and then they've got essentially 2 weeks to get all of the work that I sent, that we sent home for them today, which is, I'm doing this voiceover on a Friday, so they got all of their packets at home, and then they're going to learn from us at home with the papers if they can. If not, we made sure that we left enough information in there so that they can do it from home, and then obviously we will be available for the 2 weeks. So it's fun to come back home, because I was talking to all of my 3rd grade teachers, and I told them, I said, y'all, I get to wear sweatpants again for 2 weeks. Like, you don't understand how, like, the finer things in life, to wear sweatpants while you're Zooming with your class and not have to get dressed, you know, like school clothes dressed. It's amazing. Just amazing. I love it. So anyway, I am just putting up on foam tape. I am getting everything ready to put on the back, and I leave this layout pretty simple. I absolutely love how this turns out, and I thought that this is really nice. So I'm just putting down some embellishments, making sure that all of the embellishments just match up, and making them just look like I want them to. And then I do a little bit of this and that to it, and I'm like, what do I want to do? And I kind of go through. I'm getting low on embellishments and ephemera and all of that kind of stuff, because this is the last layout that I am doing with this kit. So I was able to get, I think, 7 layouts. It's either 7 or 8 layouts with the kit, and that's really good for me because I am a embellished heavy person, but I was super excited to get about that many. This one carried me through at least one full collection, or one full set of photos. I have only like 2 left to go for layouts, and then I'm done with all of them. So I thought that was great. My title is going to be Second Family, and I start putting it on there, and then I do turn it off so that it comes on, and I go through and I kind of fix all that. And then after this is pretty much it. Now you're gonna see me kind of play around. I did just back everything down, and I keep playing with this, and then I come up with you plus me, because this family was like my second family over there. We hung out quite a bit. We were like the ride or die to go to the gym and all of this, and we did some trips together, and it was really fun to get to know this family. My daughter really loved her 2 sons, and it was just an amazing time. So that's what the journaling is. I do finish out with a couple other things, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you go like and subscribe to my channel and to the Shimmerz channel, because we do upload quite a bit, and I definitely upload between 2 to 3 times on my channel. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.